are pleased to show you the 2013 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power passenger seat, backup camera, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.